Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you this GREE HVAC system that I have in my hotel room. As you can see, it's pretty big, and it's got this weird thing right here. And here are the controls. There's no thermostat for this unit. You can see right here there are two filters, which are quite dirty. This one's a bit bent, doesn't go in all the way. And the vent is fixed. It is not adjustable. If I get my phone, you can see that the fan is right there. You can see it's a horizontal fan. Kind of looks like a fan that you would see inside a tower fan, except it's flipped sideways. And, yeah. And it's mounted on this metal plate that goes to an outside part that you can't see from here. And here's the view from the third floor of the Fairfield Inn and Suites in Emporia, Virginia. You can see it's kind of raining. But yeah, let's go ahead and demonstrate it. So we'll start with low. I'm going to be demonstrating cool today. Let's wait for it. There it goes. You can see it's set on 70, and it says set point. When you have it on fan, it shows the indoor temperature. So yeah, and it blows a pretty good amount of air, and it's pretty quiet too. It takes a few minutes for the compressor to kick in. You can see the wire down here leading to this outlet right here with the two buttons on it, test and reset. You can see it has a little LED there. And yeah, if I go behind my bed, it's pretty quiet. So yeah, that's nice. And I find these units to be kind of rare. I don't see them very often. In fact, this is my first video of one. So yeah, that's nice. And for once, this thing actually is not mounted poorly, as you can see. It looks rather nice. It's not very old. Probably somewhere in the 2000s. Definitely not 90s. But yeah. And the air cools down quite fast, which is nice. And it's got a grate inside there. And there's the intake vent right there. And inside there's the filters. There goes the compressor kicking in. Yeah, so now the air is starting to get a bit cooler. Now I'll go ahead and put it on medium. You notice it's sped up a little bit. Here, I'll show you the fan spinning. There it is. Sorry, it's not focused. But yeah, the air from this thing does get extremely cold. Like, this thing was set on 68 when I came in here, and it felt like an iceberg in here because this thing works way too well. But yeah, you can see it's got this foam holding it in here. I'm guessing there's some kind of sturdy metal glue on it. But yeah, and I'm not sure if I said this yet, but the vent is fixed. It's non-adjustable. So yeah, and I'll go ahead and put it on high. And there's also an auto setting. There it goes. You can hear it gets pretty loud. It blows a lot of air. So yeah, that's nice. So yeah, overall I do like this unit. It's pretty sleek and nice looking. And yeah, you adjust the temperature with these. See, I said it's 68, go back to 70, and so on and so forth. And what I find unique about this is that it actually has a dry setting. You don't see that very often on these HVAC systems. In fact, a lot of people actually call these PTAC, which is actually the correct terminology for these kind of units. But I just feel like HVAC is kind of easier to remember. But yeah, so don't judge. Anyway, let's go ahead and turn it off. And you can see the power light turns red. So yeah, that was the HVAC system in my hotel room. Thanks for watching. Peace.